Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best metal shears. Thanks to the scissor-like mechanism of metal shears, you can now precisely cut through heavy-duty materials that some of us are dread working with, like thick metal sheets and steel bars. Requiring only minimal effort, you definitely won't slip or tire arms out. Here, we're diving into the 5 best models out there on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th metal shear in our list is the Malco Corrugated Metal Turbo Shear, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. This attachable shear has been shown to work more quickly and effectively than manual metal roofing shears. With the Malco Turbo Shear, you can make precise circular and square outlet cuts, as well as quick longitudinal cuts and easy cross cuts. Its compact jaws are used to make the elongated blades offer a good 75-degree offset, allowing the drill to be held almost vertically when beginning a cut. Meanwhile, the drill handle or battery pack has room to naturally tilt lower and still clear the roofing panel surface, so these offset blades follow the increasing angle of a corrugated or trapezoidal profile, like roofs or unique tiles. Offering the control you need to adhere to exact cut lines, this corrugated roofing cutter can operate at high or low speeds. With 30 to 24 gauge roofing panel metal, it is guaranteed to provide a long service life. Just keep in mind that when the tool hangs up, it tends to mar the material on the right or the scrap, so always make sure it's on the right side of the cutter. Bend it down and get it out of the way while the cut is done. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for metal workers who need a lot of maneuverability while working. The 4th metal shear in our list is the WEN 3650 Electric Metal Cutter Shear, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If you're one of those people who like a bit more of the manual approach, then the WEN 3650 Electric Metal Cutter Shear is a great option to start with haptic pressure instead of a changeable dial. The harder you grasp the trigger, the more power is applied, and the lighter you pull, the less power it uses. This product can cut sheet metal up to 18 gauge and 20 gauge stainless steel, and cutting at any angle or direction is possible thanks to the pivoting head's 360-degree rotation, which eliminates the need for an awkward or unpleasant grip on the shear's handle. On top of that, the 1.4-inch ribbon cutter has a double blade design, making it comfortable to manage and carry even after long hours of cutting. Depending on the amount of pressure used, the pressure-sensitive switch will modify the cut speed from 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, so you can speed up or slow down at any point. To assist with projects that require several turns and bends, you can cut circles with radii of 3 inches and higher. One downside that some users experience is this lack of control and precision when cutting ridges, so make sure to practice different techniques if you're keen on details. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who's working to round up metal sheets for tables and decorations. The 3rd metal shear in our list is the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Shear Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Considered one of the higher-end shears out there, we have the Milwaukee 6852-20 18-gauge shear. It can cut up to 0.05 inches of stainless steel or 0.055 inches of sheet steel because of its strong 6.8 amp motor. The waist curl has a 0.20-inch diameter and a customizable cutting speed of 2,500 strokes per minute, which you can adjust based on how much pressure you apply. In only 3 seconds, the variable speed trigger, even with reverse, can cut up to 2 inches of Type 40 PVC, and the all-metal planetary drive offers more than 200 cuts for each charge. On the other hand, the ergonomic tactile grip's user-friendly design makes it easier for you to make that straight cut when you need to. For better balance, a new lightweight, heavy-duty magnesium gear case has been incorporated into the design. However, there are some users who find it a struggle to work with corrugated metal sheets. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are looking for productive and precise gear for decorative pieces. The 2nd metal shear in our list is the Makita 18-gauge straight shear, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The single-blade Makita JS1602 12-gauge shear is more on the expensive end, but with a 3.4-amp, low-power motor with a single 4,000 shock pulse cutting speed, it's definitely worth it. Since Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the quickest charge times in their categories, they're always ready to use. When it initially comes into play, this will feel too powerful, but as you get used to it, it becomes lightweight and comfortable, and cutting sheet metal and stainless steel up to 16 gauge causes very little user strain. Due to the single blade cutting model, there's no waste material produced. To increase its comfort and usability even further, it also incorporates the auto switch on feature. Best of all, Makita developed star protection computer controls to increase tool performance and battery life, which enable a tool and battery to share data in real time while in use and monitor environmental conditions to prevent overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. You might want to consider that the cutting technique does result in a little metal strip being removed by the tool. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginners who want to start with a heavy-duty yet convenient tool. The best metal shear in our list is the DEWALT DW890 Metal Shear, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Adding some flair to our list, we have the DEWALT DW890 Metal Shear, which is a set of double shears. The metal workpiece was cut into a thin 0.22-inch strip, which curls as you cut, keeping the extra material out of the way and allowing you to continue working without constantly pausing to remove it. With a ball-bearing construction, the 5-ampere motor reduces friction, which contributes to the motor's durability and high level of performance. It also permits variable speed, which can be adjusted from 100 to 350 points per minute and is controlled by a handy dial. Now, with the trigger lockable in the on position and the option to rotate the head 360 degrees, you can cut into small, odd shapes while maintaining control of the workpiece, reducing user fatigue and inconsistent cuts. Now, there are users who say it takes some practice to understand how to slant the tool so that it advances through the metal stock with ease, as it tends to leave a mark on the sides of the object you're cutting. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for experts who are looking for more productive gear to improve metalwork. And there you have it, folks, our best metal shears, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next metal shear roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.